weather is not very nice. Parsa and I are going to Sevanavank still because
For praying.
because he's working and studying next week. This weekend is the only chance we can go out.
Came here from 19th century.
Apparently now it's a low season here. There are only a few cars here, so we're not really expecting to see a bunch of tourists here, but I think this area is very nice. The lake is right here, so maybe we will not go to Seven Town today. We'll see. We have a lot of time today, so probably we'll hitchhike back to So where is this?
This is, I don't know, the path goes through the other side of the hill. It was like kind of island before, but now it's connected to the soil, to the land.
It's 2 p.m. It's still very early, but we decided to go back to Yerevan because we're getting starving and there's nothing here. Just getting harassed by taxi drivers. So trying to hitchhike on the highway, and probably we can find a way to get back to Yerevan very soon. We're going to try hitchhiking now.
Some cool guy.
Oh my god.
Mercedes!
Let's see.
Brilliant! You are going to Yerevan?
Thank you.
Thank you.
He said it's full. Wow, it's so easy here.
Yeah, it's easy. Like they don't care if they are especially young. They don't care. Love you. Anyway, if you don't think of us, sorry.
Ah! Let me talk.
Okay.
Can we go?
Can we turn?
Thank you so much.
Maybe you can take this back.
Yes.
Do you speak Russian?
Shot. Surgats. Тут
All right.
Wait, Rose.
All right.
Давай.
Спасибо. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yes.
Adulto.
Thank you.
Now we got home again.
The driver was super nice. He's half Russian, half Armenian, and he dropped us right here in front of Parsa's house. So we're going to his house to
Come.
get some food, maybe.
Persian food.
Persian food. Wow. I can't believe this is a university dorm.
No, only my room is this much tidy.
It's good.
Don't record it, it's not minutes missed.